Hello everyone, this is Kavyasree, studying in second year of MBBS from Mallareddy Institute of Medical Sciences. It was a wonderful experience at Young Doctors Camp conducted by the Yashoda Hospitals. It was a wonderful platform and we had the chance to meet many other people. Many doctors were part of this camp, them sharing their experiences and we looking at their work. Full functioning of an hospital has motivated to pursue my career in this MBBS course. There are many key learnings from this camp. We had a chance to go to the operation theatre at a young age and we had a chance to look at the MRI machine, CT scans and X-rays. We had seen the biomedical waste management of an hospital. We had a chance to meet the doctors and how they have their responsibility towards the patient, how the doctor's role in the society we had learned. And we had seen a full functioning hospital at a very young age. And Young Doctors Camp was such a beautiful platform for this experience. I would recommend who is interested to become a doctor in the future or pursue in medicine as a course or any other medical form. I would like to thank Yashoda Hospitals for giving me a chance to be part of the Young Doctors Camp. Thank you.